What if your clothes could clean themselves without water, detergent, or effort? It sounds like science fiction, but this technology already exists. And it is quietly transforming the future of fashion, medicine, and sustainability. Because clothing today comes with a hidden cost. Billions of liters of water are used every day just to keep fabrics clean. And that is only the beginning of the problem. Detergents release chemicals into ecosystems around the world. Microfibers shed into oceans, entering the food chain. Cleaning clothes is far more expensive than we think. So engineers asked a radical question. What if fabrics never got dirty in the first place? The answer came from nature, not machines. Specifically, from a plant that refuses to get dirty. The lotus leaf stays spotless even in polluted environments. Scientists discovered something shocking. Its surface is covered in microscopic structures. These structures repel water and dirt at the same time. This phenomenon became known as the lotus effect, and it sparked a revolution in material science. Engineers began replicating nature at the nanoscale. The goal was simple but ambitious. Create fabrics that behave like lotus leaves. Self-cleaning fabrics rely on two main technologies. The first is hydrophobic coating. It makes water roll off instantly. And when water rolls, it carries dirt away. The second technology is even more powerful. Photocatalytic coatings break down dirt chemically, often using materials like titanium dioxide. When exposed to light, they trigger a reaction. Organic stains are literally decomposed. No washing required. No chemicals needed. Just light and smart engineering. This is not just a lab experiment anymore. Self-cleaning fabrics are already in use today. In sportswear that resists sweat and odor. In medical textiles that reduce bacteria. Even in military gear for extreme environments. Airlines are testing them for long-haul flights. Hotels want linens that rarely need washing. The implications are massive. Imagine reducing global water usage dramatically. The textile industry is one of the largest polluters. Self-cleaning fabrics could change that equation. Less washing means less energy consumption. Fewer detergents mean cleaner rivers. And longer-lasting clothes reduce waste. It is a silent environmental revolution. But this technology is not perfect. Some coatings degrade over time. Others lose effectiveness after repeated use. Cost is still a major barrier. And large-scale production remains challenging. There are also concerns about nanoparticles, especially their long-term environmental impact. The solution is still evolving, but the trajectory is clear. Clothes are becoming smarter, more adaptive, more autonomous. Future textiles may repair themselves, or even generate energy. Self-cleaning is just the beginning. So the next time you wash your clothes, think about what might replace this habit. A world where fabrics stay clean on their own, where water is no longer wasted, where pollution quietly disappears, and where the simplest daily task becomes obsolete. Because sometimes the biggest revolutions are invisible, hidden in fibers, engineered at the nanoscale, and changing everything